to my channel. My name is Sush and I'm a travel vlogger. Since it is a lockdown, we can't travel anymore, so I'm exploring a new option for my YouTube videos. And also one of my Instagram followers told me to make a cooking recipe, so this one is for you. Basically, in this video, we are going to make a chocolate biscuit cake. And tomorrow my grandmother's birthday is there, so this cake is for her. So let's see and let's cook the cake with me.
For this recipe, all we need is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 cup milk, 2 packets of hide and seek biscuits, 1 packet of Eno, and some walnuts for garnishing. Break the biscuits into pieces and add them into a grinder. Grind your biscuits to make a smooth powder. Let's add now 1 cup of milk, then sugar and vanilla extract. And mix in the mixer once again. At the end, add Eno into your batter, blend it again, and your batter is done. Grease your cake pan with some butter. And dust it with some all-purpose flour. Pour the batter in a prepared pan. And at the end, garnish your cake with some crushed walnuts. Now bake the cake for 25 to 30 minutes in a preheated oven. In between, check your cake with the toothpick. If the toothpick comes out clean, then your cake is ready to serve.
Hi guys, thank you for watching till the end. Hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Like this video. Also subscribe to my channel. It's free. And until next video, stay home, stay safe, take care. Namaste.